In this video, we'll take a look at call parking in HaPBX, a feature that helps you manage multiple calls more efficiently. Think of it as a parking lot, where each space can temporarily hold an active call. By default, HaPBX includes a default parking lot with the code 700 containing 10 available spaces. To create your own parking, go to PBX, Applications. Parking. The first setting you'll need is the parking code. This code identifies the parking lot itself. The code is used to reach the parking lot as a whole. Parking spaces are numbered starting from the next digit after your code, depending on how many positions you define. For example, if you set the code to 8,000 and define 10 positions, your parking spaces will range from 8,001 to 8,010. You can leave the rest of the fields as default, then click Save and apply changes. Now let's review the main configuration options. Parking time sets how long, in seconds, a call can stay parked before timing out. Comeback dial time defines how long. In seconds, a parked call will wait, before automatically calling back the original device that parked it. The courtesy tone plays when someone picks up a parked call. You can choose to play it for the caller, the receiver, or both. Music on hold sets which music class will play while a call is parked. Call transfer determines who is allowed to perform a DTMF-based transfer when retrieving a parked call. You can choose between caller, callee, both, or none. Call reparking defines who can repark the call after retrieving it by using DTMF tones. You can choose between caller, callee, both, or none. Call Hangup specifies who can hang up the call when picking up a parked call by using DTMF. Again, caller, callee, both, or none. Find slot is the order in which the calls get parked. You can choose to use the first available position or the next position based on the last space position used. If Return to Originator is enabled, timed-out calls will return to the device that parked them. Otherwise, they go to the timeout destination. Enable Announce Space Number to let the system announce the parking position number, and Record to record parked calls. Now, let's see how to use call parking in practice. Using the feature code *4 will park the current call in the default parking lot. The system will park the call in the slot determined by the Find Slot rule. For example, 701. If Announce Space Number is enabled, you'll hear which slot your call was parked in. You can then dial that slot number from any extension to retrieve it. You can also transfer a call directly to a specific parking slot. For example, you can blind transfer a call to position 705. Once parked, anyone can dial 705 to retrieve that call. Parking positions can be set to be BLF keys, with devices that support monitoring parking spaces. With BLF monitoring, you can easily view which slots are occupied and retrieve or park calls with a single button press. In summary, call parking allows you to temporarily place an active call on hold and pick it up later from any extension. Just like in traditional PBX systems, anyone connected to the same HaPBX server can retrieve that parked call. It's a simple yet powerful feature that makes call handling in HaPBX more flexible and professional.